How to add background music in Instagram Reels. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into your application Instagram. Make sure that you are logged in into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, click on this plus icon at the top left corner of the screen. You have to select Reels and then move into any of the videos that you'd want to upload. Let me select any one from my gallery. Let me select this one. Tap on Next. Now you simply need to swipe up in order for to edit this reel. It will land you on this page. Click on this audio icon if you want to add background music. Here you can search for any of the song, or you can select from here as well. Once selected, click on this icon. Select the part of the music that you want to add and then click on Done. You can see that the background music has been toggled on. You can also adjust the volume by clicking on this volume icon. Decrease the volume and then click on Done. And there you go, the background music has been added to this video. Now if you want to post, click on this icon at the top right corner of the screen. Into the caption, tag people, add location, and after that click on Next at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.